Welcome to part 2 of the types of irritating visitors. Visitors are good, as have been pinpointed in part 1. They are good, but they can also be irritating. They can be very, very difficult, and sometimes you really wish that you didn't have visitors. Some people wish, and that is why sometimes people would not like to disclose where they are living if they have bitter experience with certain types of visitors. I'm hoping that you enjoyed part 1 of the irritating visitors. Now I welcome you to part 2. Now, there is a type of a visitor called the lazy bone. This lazy bone is lazy, spend the whole day sleeping, wake up between 10 and 11, and then will order your housewife and your househelp to make tea with the toast in my eye. Then they go back to sleep. Then they wake up even at 3 to ask you for lunch. That is the lazy bone. You might have experienced those visitors. They come, they cannot even assist in the kitchen, they cannot even keep their place clean, they cannot even make the bed, the very bed they are sleeping in. Then there is the glutton type of a visitor. This one, they want to eat to the full. They don't want to see anything in the wardrobe. And they will be the last to leave the table. And sometimes they will even have courage to tell you, I am not yet quite satisfied. I need some more. Even if it will mean ordering your wife or asking your wife to make some extra food for him or her, then they will be very, very happy. That is the glutton visitor. They are never satisfied and they really eat a big portion. Then there is the Kierere type. The Kierere type, these are the type of visitors who will talk roundly. They will make comical jokes and fun if on serious matters affecting you and your family. So now, the way you can handle this Kierere type is to try to use some diplomacy to see how you can intercede silently for them to go back where they came from. Because they can really hurt you, they can affect you, and they can offend you. So this Kierere type is a really bad type. Now, there is the fourth type, and this is the type of a visitor who is not in a hurry to leave. They had probably told you that my house has been robbed, has been closed by my tenant, by my landlord. So please give me time, let me stay here for a short time. And then, that short time, it ended up even to 2 months. You find the person is bringing clothes, briefcase of clothes, where you thought this person is here temporarily. So, this is the person, the type of a visitor who is not in a hurry. And then, the other one is the holiday maker. The holiday maker visitor, this person, you will just be there, you will feel comfortable, you will not contribute anything, not contribute to the house rent, not contribute to the foodstuffs. Even if he or she is working, will not buy anything, even to contribute to the family. This is a terrible person of a visitor. It's an exploiter. He wants to search you, and you find that he doesn't feel even guilty. These are the type of people who will not feel guilty. They will just even order the type of food. They will say, today, I want to eat meat. And they don't contribute. They can even say, I'm not comfortable with this type of food. Today, I want to curry. I don't want rice. So, my audience, I hope you have enjoyed the irritating types of visitors. And some of you, if you have to share experiences, you might have come across this. And then I would encourage you in the comment section of A Moment with Rukwaru, you can put some comments of actually of the experience you have been having of this type of visitors. Otherwise, thank you very much, and I appreciate you, and also I encourage those people who have subscribed to, I am appreciative to those people who have subscribed to A Moment with Rukwaru. I value you and thank you very much. It's Mutia Rukwaru your family therapist and a relationship coach. Thank you very much, and I welcome you for other videos about the family, about the society, and about yourself, so that you can also do some reflection. Thank you. Have a great day.